Mrs. Keo.
Hi, Miss Cutelis. Great to see you.
Good. Are you ready for our adventure today?
I'm ready. I bet the kids are ready. I wonder what we're gonna do.
Tell them what we're doing. Oh, I see. You're already giving them a clue. What do you guys think we're gonna do
What
today?
do you think we're gonna do today, guys? You're right.
Yay! We're gonna go see pandas. Not fake pandas. Real pandas.
Real pandas.
Yes. But before we go, I think we should find out a little bit about pandas before we go, so that we know.
Let's go over some facts about pandas because they are so cool.
So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with everyone so they can read along. And I'm going to read it. Or, there we go.
How cool is this in English and Spanish?
Yeah. So, Miss Keo, do you want to read that one?
Yes, please. Today we are going on a virtual field trip to the zoo to see live pandas and in their natural habitats. Then we are going to draw pandas.
Right. So in Spanish, hoy vamos a hacer una excursión virtual al zoológico para ver pandas en vivo en sus hábitats naturales. También dibujaremos pandas. ¡Woo!
Muy bien.
Y ustedes saben de dónde, I almost gave them the clue. You guys know where pandas come from? Let's give them a second. One. Okay. They come from China. And here is a map of what China looks like. Kind of an interesting shape. Interesting organic shape, don't you think?
It really is. It looks almost like a very wiggly heart.
It kind of looks like a little dragon a little bit.
Ooh, I do see the dragon.
This part right here being the head. But this red part is where the pandas come from.
Oh, so it's not everywhere that you would find.
Not everywhere. It's like the central south of China. And this says China Central del Sur.
China Central del Sur.
And we are going to show them, this is, you guys already know this, I'm sure.
Uh-oh.
Pandas like to, your panda's really excited. I think he's hungry. Pandas eat bamboo. And look how you write it in Spanish. Bamboo. With an accent. And this is how you write it in English. It's almost the same. Don't you think?
I do. Bamboo and bamboo.
And baby pandas, when they're born, they are pink. And that's un cachorro, a cub.
Pink?
Were you pink when you were born? Ask your panda.
Were you pink?
Yeah, he was probably pink. Look how adorable it is.
Oh, he's so cute. Una cachorro. Un cachorro.
And here are some interesting facts about pandas, and we're going to read them together. So, pandas son herbívoros. Pandas are herbivores, which means you eat. I think you guys in science remember learning that.
You're right.
Herbívoros means what?
Plants.
Plants, yes, and fruits. And los pandas completamente crecidos miden 3 pies de altura. Pandas that are fully grown are 3 feet tall.
A second
grader, Miss Keo. You know, pandas viven hasta 20 años. Pandas live up to 20 years. That's like their lifespan.
That is a long time.
Yeah, that's a long time. Los pandas pueden escalar árboles y nadar. So pandas can climb trees and they can swim. Cuando nacen, los pandas son rosados, which we already talked about. Y los pandas comen y duermen en su mayoría todo el día. So most of the day, what are they doing? They're sleeping and eating. Sounds a lot like us in quarantine right now, right?
Yes.
Pandas comen bambú y fruta. So they eat bamboo and fruit. That must be a really cool, healthy meal. So all you're going to need today, after our field trip, to draw the pandas are going to be markers and a piece of white paper. So let's go on our field trip first before we draw.
Let's go.
So I'm going to pick a different screen. Let's see where they are. Here we go. This is a panda cam, the first panda cam. Can you see, Miss Keo?
I can see, and look at that. We are so lucky. I don't see just one panda. How many do you guys see?
I didn't even notice the little one.
Oh,
There's another one.
how do you
Tres
say this
pandas.
number in Spanish?
Oh, look at that one. Tres. Huh? Oh,
Tres.
that one is getting in trouble. He's under the toy.
Oh, they are having so much fun today. Look at that.
Oh, I want to be in that swing.
Yeah, that looks really comfy and
That looks
fun.
comfy. Maybe Mom's going to get on it. Mom's like, let me get on it. Whoa.
Oh, she's having fun too.
She is funny.
They look just like this panda.
And look
They're
at this
so
one
fluffy.
playing with his foot. What is he doing? Oh, they're adorable.
Oh, so cute. And do you guys notice the colors of a panda? What colors do you see? You're right, not a lot.
Yeah.
¿Cómo se dice en español, Miss Cutelis?
The white and black, blanco y negro. Los pandas son blanco y negro.
Los pandas son blanco y negro. Oh, they are having so much fun.
Let's go to a different live cam. I'm going to share another live cam of a panda. Oh.
What is this panda doing?
Let's see. Hopefully we can turn it on. Maybe he's still in the tree.
He is still in that tree. Woo! Hey, were you scared?
This was a really stressful moment for me.
That was so silly. And look, pandas are really good at climbing trees because he doesn't look scared.
He almost fell and he held his whole body weight on that tiny little twig.
Right. We would be scared, but he's fine. He's having a blast. Look at him go. So they love to climb trees.
Yes. You know, in Spanish you say trepar árboles, to climb trees. He's going to go higher.
Whoa.
Oh.
It doesn't look like that tree would hold him, but
those little twigs, he weighs quite a bit.
How much does he? Oh, yeah, we're going to go.
Oh, we do it. Yeah, I think they weigh 220 pounds.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's a lot of weight.
That is a lot of weight. That little panda, for a little panda, yeah, on a little branch, that's a lot of weight to have. But that tree is looking like it's holding up.
Very stressful.
He's so silly.
I also have a video of a baby panda. We can go visit.
Ooh, a baby panda. And I remember baby pandas aren't the same color as pandas we see now.
They're pink. They're rosado. Now here is a baby panda in a doctor's home. Miss Keo.
That was so fun. What a great field trip.
Yes, that was a fun field trip. I am going to pull up. I'm going to pull up how we draw a panda. Are you excited?
Ooh, that's a great idea. Let's learn the lines and shapes we need to draw
I'm going to pull up the picture of how it is that we draw a panda. And there's two ways. Well, there's many ways, but I found two really easy ways. This one is more cartoony. And then here is one that is more realistic. So let's start looking at this. Do you guys know this shape right here? This is an easy shape.
Ooh, is that you're right. A circle. ¿Cómo se dice en español? Circle.
Un círculo. Y aquí, these look like, what shape is that? You guys know what shape these are? Ovalo.
Oval.
Ovalo. And these are all like kind of circles in a tiny little nose. So I think what we're going to do is Miss Keo and I are going to try to draw that. And then we're going to meet back up over here.
Let's do it.
Let's do it, Miss Keo. Aquí estoy dibujando un panda. Necesito un círculo, dos óvalos. Voy a colorear adentro de las orejas. Los ojos son dos círculos. También los coloreo adentro. El cuerpo. Las patas. Coloreo las patas negras. esta es otra manera de dibujar un panda. Un círculo, 2 círculos pequeños para las orejas, 2 círculos para los ojos, nariz y boca, un cuerpo, brazos o patas, garras, claws, coloreo, las patas. Ahora voy a dibujar 2 patas más, óvalo, coloreo adentro, óvalo, óvalo, óvalo y las garras. Y ahí terminé mi panda. Panda se deletrea P-A-N-D-A. So that was so much fun, Miss Keto. I love drawing so much.
And that was so fun going on a field trip with you.
Yes.
And you guys, boys and girls.
We got to get out of the house and go someplace different.
And learn about really special animals.
Very cute ones, too.
Very cute ones. And learn how to draw them.
And you learn how to draw them, too. And now your job is to teach somebody in your family how to draw a panda.
You can do it.
You can do it. You can do it. And we miss you guys.
So much.
See you soon.